In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add widgets to your iPhone's lock screen on iOS 16. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, make sure that you updated your device to iOS 16, so open up Settings, then tap on General, and here tap Add Software Update. There you can check current version of your iOS, so make sure it's 16 or later. Now you can lock your device and then tap on power button to go to lock screen, and here you can hold down somewhere on lock screen and then it brings you up to edit mode. There you have to tap Add Customize to customize lock screen. And there, just tap where it says Add Widgets. It brings up that widgets window. And from here, you can add widgets right there. You can add up to 4 widgets depending on their size just by simply tapping on that widgets. And as you can see here, I have just added 4 widgets. Also, there you can scroll down and select some widgets from that list, like weather widget. There you can change widget's size and then just tap to add widget right here at widgets section. Once you finished editing it, just tap somewhere at free space on the screen and then just tap on Done to finish editing widgets, and here tap Add Set as Wallpaper Pair. Now you can tap at lock screen and there you can see your widget and you can tap on widget to open up the application. That's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.